What's going on, people? So today we're going to be checking out the Lockzo 3-in-1 video smart lock. As you can see, I already have it installed. We're going to go through the actual unit, what it can do, how it works, and most importantly, if this is something that you can add to your home. So first off, I have it installed on my back door. I already had a smart lock on my front door. I didn't want to take that off. I have to, reprogram everybody's fingerprint. So I do it on the back door so you can see I'm in the back. But we're going to go through the features. We're going to go through the app most importantly. But for one, this lock is a lot different than you'll see with a lot of the smart locks because it actually has a built-in camera. So it kind of serves two purposes. It has your video security camera on it. It has an actual fingerprint sensor here at the top. It actually even has a keypad if you want to put your code in manually. And then you also, if you lift up this comes off and you can actually even use a key. So a really unique design. As you can see, that's the doorbell feature. Actually, while we're here, let's go through the actual features. So again, you can see the lock is out right now. So if I was just to use my fingerprint,
unlocked.
It goes to unlocked. Again, you can use the key. You can use the keypad. On the inside, it has a real minimum design. Just the actual knob to lock and unlock the key. You also can push this button here to do it manually. And this unit actually uses a removable battery. So if you can see, I can swap the battery out. It just comes out of the case. Come out here into the light so you can see it a little bit better. But this is the battery right here. Lithium ion battery, 10,000 milliamps. And it has a USB Type-C slot right there on the front for charging. So from my experience, this lock battery lasts about 30 days, which isn't great for a smart lock, but you have to realize this has a built-in camera, which is probably taking up most of the battery life. So let's get into the most important part, which is the actual app. So I'm going to go ahead and pull up the app on my phone. All right, so now as you can see, I have the app right now. It's showing the battery percentage. It took a couple seconds to update because I took the battery out, but it's showing the battery percentage right now is at 100%. Now again, if you want to unlock your door, you just press it.
Unlocked.
Okay, and then if you want to go ahead and lock it back, just hit the button again. Go along, press the button.
Locked.
And it will lock. Before we get too far, just a quick note on the installation process. The installation process was pretty simple. All you really needed was a screwdriver or a drill. So the installation of this took about 10 to 15 minutes. So it has a really nice instruction manual. So if you just follow the instruction manual, you won't have any issues with the installation. But let's go to the video surveillance mode. So if I hit video surveillance, you can see me. And if I had my door shut, you'll be able to see outside. I'll actually have the screen closed, but if I go ahead and shut that, you'll be able to see outside, just to give you an idea what the video quality looks like. Now you also it has like speech. So if you wanted to talk to somebody, I could press this button, click to talk, Hello, hello, hello. And as you see, it'll come through the actual lock. Also in the app, you can go to your member management. So if you wanted to add any users, you can manage their fingerprints. You can manage their PIN numbers or their codes that they're using to access the locks. So all of that is built in. You also can set a temporary password if you have a visitor coming and you want to give them temporary access to the house. You can do that there. So before we go, I just wanted to cover one of the things that I think has room for improvement, and that's based off what I mentioned earlier. The battery life on this lasts me about 30 days, which isn't horrible for all of this does, but my issue is it doesn't alert you, or at least mine did not alert me when the battery was low. So it would be nice if they could add a feature where you get an alert on your notification on your app, or the lock does something, beeps, turns red, something to let you know that the lock is going dead. Now, granted, this is on my back door, so I didn't interact with it every day. I'm imagining if it was getting low and you actually went to press the button, or you did something, press the doorbell, or try to press in a code or something, it may have alerted me that the battery was running low. But if you don't interact with it, it doesn't send you a notification. It doesn't flash red or anything like that. So just something to keep in mind if you're going to put this on the door that you're not interacting with on a regular basis. You're going to make sure you have to periodically check that battery. But other than that, I think this is a really good product. Lockzo, they did send this out to me. Again, they didn't have any influence on this video, but they did send this out to me to check out. So I appreciate that. But it has a 2K camera, has the keypad, has a lot of features in this small compact design, which I think is nice. And I think a lot of new camera manufacturers or lock manufacturers will probably go to this design. So if y'all have any other questions about this lock, drop them down in the comment section and I'll be sure to get to them. So I want to thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.